Hello, it's Rachel again with the Otago Prattville Public Library, and today I'm unboxing some fabulous new finds, new books and materials and children's books, adult books, all sorts of things for all ages. These are our brand new acquisitions that we are getting in that Miss Barb and Miss Ashley are cataloging for us, and so I'm going to go over some of these brand new things so you can see what is coming up to be checked out. So in this first batch we have Noodle Bear by Mark Gravas. That looks fantastic. We've got a few more children's books. Bunnies on the Bus, I Don't Want to Wash My Hands, very topical, and DC Superhero Girls, Weird Science, all sorts of fun stuff coming up. A couple more picture books. There's Something About Sam. We've got, a very colorful one, Gustavo the Shy Ghost. Beautiful. I love that cut paper type of detail on the cover too. And here's our first grown-up book, What You Wish For by Catherine Center. We've got Underwater, How Our American Dream of Home Ownership Became a Nightmare. We have a book on Butch Cassidy. So we're gonna have some nonfiction in this unboxing, some fiction. Here we have Never Ask Me, a thriller by Jeff Abbott. All of these should be able for you to put them on hold on our online catalog at www.appl.info, and then you'll just click on the login button and you'll be able to search for these titles. So we have some new James Pattersons, multiple copies of those because those are very popular. Baby Mouse, also very popular for the younger crowd. The Montague Twins, that looks interesting. So we hope you enjoy some of these new selections. And as I mentioned, we've got multiple copies of quite a few of them so that we can be sure to meet y'all's demand and make sure you aren't waiting too long for your books. Another children's book. That one looks like it might be a young adult. A little tricky to get it out of the glare there. Let's rearrange our stacks for a moment. We have The Bohemians. And Robin Lee Hatcher wrote, it looks like some sort of romance. Unfortunately, I can't quite catch the title from that angle. But if you search by author in our catalog, you can absolutely find fabulous things that way as well. This next box I am unboxing upside down by accident. So let's see what's in this haul. Gotta get rid of all the packaging. I'm more gentle than it looks because I did speed things up. Ooh, Blue Jeans and Coffee Beans. We've got some cool Denim Blue Sea, some cool new adult fiction books. We have E. Esther Bunnymund, I Am Not Your Enemy, and Lock and Key by Sarah Dessen. I remember enjoying some books by Sarah Dessen in the past. Run Me to Earth by Paul Yoon. That one's got a very interesting cover. The Other Americans, A Child Called It, Nicholas St. North, pardon me. And so some of these that you're seeing, you may be thinking some of these are brand new publications and releases. Some of them are also going to be replacement copies for items that we had that got lost or just worn out or whatever the case may be for each title. Get rid of the glare there for you so you can read the title. The Lady's Handbook for Her Mysterious Illness. That sounds interesting. I like that the cover looks a little bit like ice cream too. We got a Judy Moody book I can see, Castaway Cottage, Beach Blues, another Warriors novel. That's a very popular children's series, and Judy Moody gets famous. I knew I saw Judy Moody in there. Percy Jackson, The Sea of Monsters, also a very popular series. And Little Family looks cool. I love those artistic covers as well. And here's our third and final big old box to unbox. This is the last bit of our haul of the new materials we've got and we're getting, and we do get orders in about every month, so if there's something that you would like to read or borrow from the library and we don't have it, be sure to let us know. Let a staff member know, and we can see what we can do about acquiring it for the library and placing it on hold for you. Frankenstein doesn't wear earmuffs. That's the title of that story. The ghosts went floating. So we've got all sorts of really interesting titles here for all ages. We like to keep things fresh. I also like to stack the books on surfaces that run away from me to make things a little bit more interesting. But we try to get something for everyone in our collection, and if you feel that there's something missing that you would love to have for you, like I said, let us know. Give us that feedback and we can do what we can to get those items set for you. A couple more duplicate copies of books. These ones are on COVID-19. That's pretty timely. Hopefully you can learn a lot about what's going on with that book. And we have The Lantern Men, When Truth Is All You Have, The Order by Daniel Silva. We got a couple of copies of that one, and I love the cover of that one too. Such vivid colors. Ooh, a Debbie Macomber, Walk Along the Beach. A few copies of that. Wonderful. So, I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing what new materials we have available for checkout now for you. What materials you can put on hold and pick up curbside. If you have any questions, please do feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email at contact@appl.info or 334-365-3396. We hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you enjoyed getting this sneak preview of our brand new fancy shiny books, and we'll see you next time.